Dear students, all of you are welcome to the first class of quantitative techniques for business decisions. What I mean by quantitative techniques? Quantitative techniques are the tools which provide the decision maker a powerful means of analysis so that he can explore policies for achieving predetermined goals. Okay? Quantitative techniques are the tools which provide powerful means of analysis and which helps the businessman or a decision maker to develop his policies for achieving predetermined goals. And this includes the use of numbers, symbols, and other mathematical expressions. There are a lot of quantitative techniques which are highly useful to businessman, and all these quantitative techniques helps the businessman to achieve the right decisions at the right time. And whereas quantitative techniques can be broadly classified into three categories. First is mathematical quantitative techniques, second one is statistical quantitative techniques, and the third is programming quantitative techniques. Okay, and the syllabus of quantitative techniques has already been shared with you. When we examine the syllabus, the fourth module deals with correlation and regression analysis, and I know all of you learned correlation and regression analysis very well in your BCom or BBA degree classes, and therefore I would like to begin our course quantitative techniques with the correlation analysis. What is correlation analysis? Can you remember the meaning or definitions of correlation analysis? Correlation analysis is actually a bivariate analysis, means it is not a univariate analysis because it deals with the relationship between two or more variables. Okay, if change in one variable results in a corresponding change in the other variable, there exists correlation. Okay, and therefore correlation may be defined as the study of the relationship exists between two or more variables. What is the change in one variable based on the changes that have been taken place in the other variable? Okay, let us see an example. Take the variables price and supply. What is the relationship exists between price and supply? When price increases, supply decreases, and when price decreases, supply also decreases. Okay, and here the variables price and supply are moving in the same direction. Okay, and therefore we can say that this price and supply, the variables price and supply are correlated. There is correlation between price and supply. Okay, take another example. Here the two variables are price and demand. Okay, what type of relationship exists between price and demand? When price increases, demand decreases. When price decreases, demand increases. Here the variables are moving in the opposite direction. Whatever it may be the nature of movement, nature of relationship, we see a kind of relationship exists between price and demand, or there is correlation between price and demand. Okay, then what is correlation? Correlation refers to the study of relationship exists between two or more variables. Okay, and let us see some definitions given by various authors for the concept correlation analysis. Okay, first definition, that is one given by Professor Boddington. Whenever some definite connection exists between two or more variables, groups, classes, series, or data, there is said to be correlation. Okay, Boddington states that correlation is actually a definite connection exists between two or more variables. Okay, let us see another definition given by A.M. Tuttle. According to A.M. Tuttle, correlation is an analysis of the covariation between two or more variables. AMTUTL defines, or AMTUTL focuses on the word covariation between two or more variables. Covariation means the variation in two variables. Variation, what is the variation? What is the change in two set of data? Okay. Then the third one is given by W.I. King. If there is correlation between two series or groups of data, there exists some causal connection. Okay. King states that correlation is actually the result of a causal connection between two or more variables, or there is cause and effect relationship between two or more variables. Correlation is cause and effect relationship. Of this, one is cause variable and the other is effect variable. Okay, and correlation is actually the study of relationship between this cause variable and effect variable. And another definition that is given by Tippett. According to Tippett, the effect of correlation is to reduce the range of uncertainty of one's prediction. Tippett reveals the significance of correlation. What is the significance of correlation? What is the importance of correlation? Correlation helps to reduce the range of uncertainty of one prediction. When the correlation between two or more variables are established, that helps to reduce the uncertainty of prediction. Then see another definition given by Chinese statistician Ya Lun Chao. According to Chao, correlation analysis attempts to determine the degree of relationship between variables. What is correlation analysis according to Chao? Correlation analysis is actually an attempt to determine the magnitude of the relationship exists between two or more variables. See another one given by Professor L.R. Conner. If two or more quantities varies in sympathy so that movements in the one tend to be accompanied by corresponding movements in the other, then they are said to be correlated. Conner states that correlation is actually the movement in one variable which is accompanied by the corresponding movements in the other variable. Okay, and one more definition given by Croxton and which is given by Croxton and Cowden. When the relationship is of quantitative nature, the appropriate statistical tool for discovering and measuring the relationship and expressing it in a brief formula is known as correlation. What is correlation according to Croxton and Cowden? Correlation is an appropriate statistical tool for discovering and measuring the relationship exists between two variables when they are expressed in quantitative nature. Okay. Dear students, today I would like to wind up my class, and all of you are requested to prepare detailed notes based on the class. Okay. Thank you.